On today's show, we're gonna be doing steaks on our all-new Badger Barrel. All right, everybody, thank you for tuning in to today's show. You guys have been loving our content surrounding the new Badger Barrel. It's the new barbecue slash smoker slash grill made by the owners of Pit Barrel Cooker. We're loving this thing. We're cooking on it a ton. And today what we're gonna be doing is some reverse sear chuck eye steaks. I've been getting into chuck eye steaks lately. They're a little bit cheaper. They're like the poor man's ribeye. If you can pick up a chuck eye steak, comes from the center of the chuck roast, right next to the ribeye, definitely good money for the price. Good price for the money. Good quality for the thing. Whatever. Chuck eye steaks. We're going to be doing a reverse sear, a couple sausages. We're going to finish it off on the Badger Barrel hibachi mode. I think you guys are really going to like this. All right, babe. We're going to be using the 187 barbecue. Our friend Eduardo that we met at Cooking with CJ's house, who was on the Netflix barbecue show. We got two little chuck eye steaks, babe.
These are really good steaks.
And babe's going to go ahead and season them up. Or maybe I'll help babe season them up. There we go. We're just gonna get some on there, and you'll pat it in. We haven't tried his cow steak rub yet. All right, well, let's see. Netflix superstar Eduardo, here we go. All right, we got our fire cup lit. Check them out, fire cups. We're gonna put our half chimney on that. The great thing about the Badger Barrel is that they give you very specific instructions on how to light this. So we fill up the basket, we dump a quarter of it out into our half chimney. Now I'm gonna light this for 14 minutes using my fire cup, and I'm gonna dump it into the Badger Barrel. Very specific, very set it and forget it, very easy. So let's let this get started. I'll show you the Badger Barrel. All right, like I showed you guys in the last video, we got our firebox down here. When this is all done, I'm gonna dump the charcoal into there. I'm gonna then set this midsection on top. I'm gonna do a reverse sear, so I'm gonna be smoking on the grill grate right here at first. When the steaks come up to temp, I'm gonna transfer it into hibachi mode and I'm gonna sear them off. I'm also gonna do some asparagus that babe is getting seasoned up inside. And these are really our parts right here. Okay, the 14 minutes is up. Let's dump this in our fire basket. I'm using a combination of Kingsford and a little bit of lump. Okay, let's reassemble this. We'll get this all set up right here. Put it on the pegs here. Get this locked in. And I like this thing because even when it's hot, you can still touch it with your bare hands. Locked in and locked in. It's in grill smoker mode, like I have it here. I'm gonna put my asparagus and my steaks on here, but I'm gonna let it come up to temp a little bit more. I'm following all the directions in their instruction manual. I'm gonna lock this down just for a couple minutes. Let's lock this down. And then I'm just gonna open this like a pencil width, like that. I'm gonna just let this chill for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna throw the asparagus on, let that go. Then we're gonna throw the steaks on. Right now is a great time to pause the show and say thank you to everybody that has subscribed to our channel, follows us on Instagram, Twitter, all the people that have hit the join button. I'm gonna roll the tier 2 and the epic tier 3 channel members up on the screen right now. Thank you guys all so much for supporting our little YouTube hobby. All right, let's jump back into the show. One quick note I wanted to show you guys. I'm basically 1,000 feet above sea level, so I'm at 1/4 open. That's where my bottom vent is set at. And then my top vent is set just like that. So I'm trying to run at about 250, 275, which literally this is like a set it and forget it type of thing. As long as you follow their directions and just do everything appropriately. All right, stay tuned. See, I like this thing because it has cool touch handles. So this thing's ripping hot right here. You can just pull this off. Beautiful. Got a little asparagus on here. We're gonna throw our little chuck eye steaks on here. Woo, that's hot. We'll just let these get a little smoke on it. Like I said, I'm doing a little charcoal and lump combination. Super simple, easy tonight. Let's let those roll. A little asparagus. We're gonna put this back on. Okay, and we're gonna put these latches, and everything is cool touch. I like this thing. I don't need any gloves or anything like that. Just put it back on. Let's let that roll. We'll see you back in a little bit. All right, boys and girls, let's unlatch. It's been 20 minutes see what we're working with here. I think we need to flip these to promote some even cooking. And then we're going to check some temperatures before we transfer this thing into hibachi mode. So we're at 128. Ooh, yeah, these might be really done. 20 minutes going fat. These are little steaks. So 124, 121. Yeah, I think we're about ready to transfer. That was 122. Let's go to hibachi mode. And then we'll just use these cool touch handles. Boom. No gloves required. Put that there. Now we're going into hibachi mode. And that's really why I love this thing. You can transition so easily. We'll just finish them off with a little sear and hibachi mode. The asparagus is about done. Steaks are about done. Like I said, I had them on there for 20 minutes. So, I mean, this is just really quick and easy cook. These little chuck eye steaks. Ooh, this is hot. A lot of heat coming off of there. Oh, yes. Let's let it rest a little bit. We'll slice into them. Oh, yeah, baby. Slicing and dicing.
Slicing and dicing this deliciousness. I really like this steak.
You like chuck eyes?
I do. It's really good.
Oh, are you salivating?
It's very juicy.
You've been eating it already. Mm. You like that 187 rub?
It's really good.
No.
Just the right amount of spice.
No.
Salt, flavor. It's fantastic.
What do you season the asparagus with?
Uncle Steve's.
UncleSteve'sShake.com. Little garlic bread, just store-bought. Cook it in the bag stuff. And then the chuck eye steaks. Not too shabby.
That is good. Your steaks are the best.
Oh, well, there you go.
Yeah.
All right. I guess we'll see the folks on the next one.
Yeah.
All right. Bye. See you guys later.